Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare cheese toast. Ingredients required for this recipe are I've taken bread. You can take sliced breads also. And here I have taken cheese cubes and a little bit of black pepper powder. So now let's get started. We'll take the cheese and we will spread equally on the bread. Grate it. Take the cheese first and grate it. I'll spread it on the other two breads also. Once you finish spreading the cheese equally, take little black pepper powder and just sprinkle it. Now I am going to prepare this on a tawa. So let's heat the tawa. Here a tawa is getting heated. It's already heated. So I will place these, lower the flame. And just cover it. Let it get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, when you remove the plate, see how the cheese has melted. It's done. It becomes crispy from bottom and on top it becomes cheesy. Now I will take it out on a separate plate. Here is a crispy cheese toast ready. We can have this with a cup of tea. As you can see, bottom part it's crispy. And on top it's cheesy. Do try this out and I'm sure you will love this. It's very simple and very easy to prepare. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated to my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.